up, guys? It's your girl Leslie, your favorite YouTube lesbian, and I'm back! Yay! We should be getting just about back on track, and I'm super happy about that. Yes. In honor of pumpkin spice latte time, we have come up with this orange pumpkin spice latte look. So, oh, and I have a very special shirt on for you, but you can't see it. You gotta watch the entire video first. Yep. So, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell, and give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, let's get it on, party people. Hi, I'm back. So slowly but surely, we are getting back on track with my video schedule. So thank you for hanging in there and waiting for little old me. I appreciate it. So today's look is going to be a fall inspired pumpkin spice. I'm so excited that it's pumpkin spice latte season. I'm ready for pumpkin spice everything. I'm ready to wear my hoodies, my leggings, and my Uggs. Basic bitch season is upon us. It is the only time of year that I will claim to be basic, and I love it. I couldn't decide between palettes because I didn't really have like a look planned. I just knew I wanted to do like orange. So as I went along, I ended up using 3 palettes. So we used the Morphe 35V, the Morphe Boss Mood, and the Nubian 2 from Juvias Place. Yeah, I know. Indecisiveness at its finest. Eye is primed with the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. I am looking for my first brush, as always. We're gonna start in the Morphe 35V palette, and we're going to use this pretty shade next to the orange as our transition. So what is new, you guys? What is up? What is the tea? What is the 411? Spill it all. I've barely even been on social media. Like, I don't know what's happening in the world. And I don't like not knowing. I feel like so out of the loop with the tea. I did see the James Charles drama though, like he bleached his hair. It was horrible. And I do agree that he did it on purpose to be on Brad Mondo's channel and then have Guy Tang, is that how you say his last name? I don't know. Have him fix it and be on his channel. Like, dude, we see what you're doing. We see it. Alright, so this is where we're gonna leave our transition for now. And we're gonna put Madagascar in next. These Juvias Place palettes are so good for these fall looks. They are so pretty. Oh my gosh, guess what, you guys? I ordered the Norvina, no, I can't talk. The Norvina Pro Palette Volume 1. Woo! Have you guys seen the swatches of this palette? It's the best one that Norvina has done yet. I cannot wait to get it. If you've seen it, what do you guys think? Have you bought it? Are you going to buy it? Are you over it? Let me know. I want to know what you guys think. Now, obviously, I did not buy the Jackie Aina x Anastasia collab. Y'all know why. I'm not a fan. But this one, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Next up, I went into the Morphe Boss Mood palette, and I took a domed brush in the crease, and we went in with this orange. And just pushing that in the crease. My hooded eye people, do you remember what I told you? Do you? When you're working in your crease, if your eyeball isn't moving, then you're not doing it right. You got to get all up in there. I was trying to be sneaky. So while I'm still working on Premiere Pro and learning, I'm trying to figure out how to do like all the cool effects that I did before, you know, like distorting my face and my voice and all that. So there's not going to be a lot of that right now, but I'm working on it. It's going to get there. It is really late in the day, y'all. Well, I mean, like it's not late, but it's like late to film. It's like 5 something and I never film this late. But maybe I'll be able to catch some golden hour. What do we think? And let's go in with one more color. And we're gonna take that out of the Morphe 35V. And it is this orange right here. Now this is an interesting color to me because it looks orangey in the pan, but when I put it on, it turned out to be more like, I don't know, coral or pinky, but it worked. I liked it. So we're gonna add it right over our crease line. My lighting feels so funny because it's late. I really prefer the lighting in the early afternoon times when I film, especially when I'm taking my pictures or my macro pics of my eyeshadow. That lighting is just perfect in my bathroom. You go back in with the very first brush and we're going to pick up this beige color and this cream color and put this over the top under the brow. Oh honey, let me tell you about these brows. Please ignore them because they didn't want to cooperate today. It took an hour and I still wasn't happy. Like this one is still patchy, like I don't know what the hell was going on. So and let's go in the center with that brown Madagascar one more time. And I'm using a bigger domed brush. I do want this blended out a little bit more than the first time. And this is going over that strange orangey corally color because I like the way that they ended up when they mixed together. So, yeah. You know, one of the things I discovered that I love, get my first brush and fix that, about using the editing software on my MacBook is that I can get rid of the background noise. So like the fan, can you hear it? No, you can't hear it anymore. So that is awesome. I did not know that there was software out there that had the ability to do that. So that's really cool. Because y'all know I'm not gonna live without my fan. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and cut the crease at this point. I'm gonna cut it with the NYX white shadow base and I'll be back. Now that the crease is cut, I'm gonna take a packing brush and I did not set the base. We're gonna take Morocco, which is the orange, out of the Juvias Place palette and pack this all over the lid. This color is so vibrant, especially when it's over a base like this. I just just love the Juvias Place palette. They lost me with the foundation, but they got me with the palettes. I am bringing it into my inner corner. I wish you guys knew how crazy my life has been these past couple weeks. Like personally, and this whole video editing crap. I've been going through the gigs, honey. The gigs. But you know what? I'm a boss ass bitch.
I'm a boss ass bitch. Bitch. Woo, bitch.
Through it. That's all I have to say. That's it. I'm not worrying too much about taking it out here because we are going to add the dark brown. Right, I want to put some of the brown back, so we're going to take the little brush we used with Madagascar and go over the top. What if I just left that like that? Did y'all think I was crazy? I'm gonna go back with the first brush and blend this out a little bit. I'm gonna grab the light colors from the Morphe 35V palette that we used on the same brush and diffuse the top. Gosh, these eyebrows, I just can't even. You know, yesterday they cooperated beautifully, and that's because I didn't film. Today they're like, you're filming? Okay, we got something for your ass. Okay, so outer corner, I went in to the Boss Mood palette and into this rich chocolate brown, and I'm putting this right here in the outer V. And I'm bringing it out. And you guys that have been here know that my process looks ridiculous at first. I feel like I always say, placement first and then blend later. You know what I mean? You're taking the orange from the same palette, we're gonna blend some of this into the corner. It looks like I need to put a little bit more of the Morocco back, the orange from Juvia's place. Alright, cool. So where it's connected, I took Nefertiti on a damp brush and used this to transition between the dark and the orange. So right here. It's so pretty. And I'm keeping my eye open and putting some just up here so that you can see it over my lashes. Smooth the brown out. And then we'll go in and smooth the orange out. Oh, when I bought the Anastasia, well not Anastasia, when I bought the Norvina Pro I also got the box set that has the eyeshadow primer in it, so I'm super excited to try that for you guys. I've heard nothing but good things about her primer. I generally don't use a dedicated eyeshadow primer, but you know, I'm not opposed to it. I'm not. Why? It was a little harsh right there, so I just want to go over it. Just a smidge. For the underbrow, I'm going to take this beige color we took and the one underneath it and just pop that in. Not that I want to highlight these horrible brows today, but you know, something's got to go there. For the inner corner, I went into Zuri and Nairobi from Juvia's place on a damp brush. We're going to pop that in here. And I'm going to bring it down the first corner of my lower lid. Perfect. Alright, so I'm going to finish my face, conceal underneath the eye. We are going to just smudge the orange that we took from the Boss Mood palette. And I shall return. Alright guys, we are back. This is the start of more fall looks from me. This is our little pumpkin spice latte. Oh, and look, I had to put on my special sweater for you guys. But first, pumpkin spice latte. I'm so ready. I know, super basic. So I went ahead and used my Anastasia OG powder contour kit. I used the Fenty bronzer in Cocoa Naughty. I used the Benefit California blush, Juvia's Place loose highlight in Nubia, which is this one. We lined our lips, where did it go? With the Steve Laurent lip liner. This is one of the products that I got in my BoxyCharm. This is in the color Chic. And we used the Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint in Unveil. This is like the perfect chocolate brown color for fall. I haven't used it in a long time and I'm excited. Oh, can we talk about the elephant in the room here? If you look back at the video, this wing was a whole lot smaller. Well, I made the mistake of attempting to go back over it. And yeah, you know how that goes. It gets bigger and bigger and bigger. So yeah, I tried to salvage it. It is what it is. For lashes, we are wearing the style Baddie Bee from Shop Envy Me's Badass collection. You guys know the deal. You guys know how much I love their lashes. They have like the dramatic ones for me. They have like the natural everyday ones. Anything you can think of. So go check them out. I do have a discount code for you guys. It is Pretty10. Save you some coin. I earned some coin. It's a win-win. So if you guys liked this video and you're ready for pumpkin spice latte season, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss when I upload, now that I'm getting back on track. So I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Go 5, 4, 3, 2, I let one go. I don't bluff, bro. Aim it.